forecast.
Well, good Thursday evening. There is the view from the Charlottesville-Albemarle Airport, and on the edge of your screen there you can see a heavier shower in progress. And yeah, we've had a few showers around this afternoon. Haven't seen a whole lot of storminess, but we could certainly have a storm or two. The aerial coverage is a lot different than what we were dealing with yesterday. Let's first of all, there's a jet taking off. Let's first of all take a look at Doppler radar. This is over the last couple of hours, and you can see a heavier cell here just west of Earlysville. But first of all, we'll start up toward the Ruckersville area, and this is headed toward Barbersville and into areas like Stony Point along Route 20, along Route 33 here into Orange County and Albemarle. Then we'll go back to the west, and here's what we were looking at the edge of the screen from the airport, from Millington out toward Doylesville. Not seeing any lightning yet, but that could certainly develop into a thunderstorm. That's some heavier rain that is moving off to the south. We'll go a little farther south in and around the Crozet area, and you can see a little downpour in progress there, and that one to your north. And then here we are in the Lyndhurst and Shenandoah area of eastern Augusta County. So at least through sunset, we'll have opportunity for a few more showers or storm, but not the coverage that we were dealing with yesterday. A weak front will continue to slide farther off to our south and east here tonight into early tomorrow. Temperatures at this hour, most of us are in the mid 80s. We made it up to a high of 89 this afternoon. Of course, it felt like it was in the low 90s with the dew points or higher humidity. Temperatures overnight, similar to the last couple of nights, upper 60s, lower 70s. We'll be left with partly to variably cloudy skies and some patchy fog. Your Friday, temperatures are similar once again, mid to upper 80s. A few storms are possible in the afternoon, but I think aerial coverage a lot less, and even more so on Saturday. Saturday's opportunity would be more along the mountains, the Blue Ridge or the Alleghenies out to the west, but not completely dry. And then Sunday, we're looking at our hottest temperatures of the weekend. Most of us will be in the low 90s, so that's kind of a snapshot right now of the weekend. So this front will just settle to our south. It shifts the wind, but it doesn't usher in a cooler, drier air mass. High pressure building to the north will help funnel in an easterly wind, which may bring a little bit more cloud cover in here to start the day on Saturday. Now the latest on Erin, still remains a tropical storm. By tomorrow, it will be a hurricane. Again, it looks good on the satellite picture here. There are new tropical storm watches up for the northern Leeward Islands, and it's about just under 800 miles east of those islands at this time. Winds at 60 miles an hour. National Hurricane Forecast Track takes it close to the northern Leeward Islands. They'll be impacted with some rain and wind action, but where does it go in time? Well, it continues off on a west, but then eventually a northwesterly course. And right now, there's a look at the U.S. southeast coastline. There's the island of Bermuda. Currently, the forecast models are keeping it offshore, but how far west it does get is still close to watch. So we all need to do that. Subtropical ridge is off to the north of Erin, and that's helping to drive it in this general direction. And then there'll be a front coming off the coast the middle of next week, so that'll have a bearing on its movement as well. So there's a lot of moving parts. Temperatures here for tonight, either side of 70. Any shower or storm fades away early. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast with a largely drier weekend, hot on Sunday, and then some more storm chances as we roll into next week.
All right, Erin. Thank you.
Well, Senators Mark Warner and